Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the option of series in Mark software. Firstly, let us know what is series. Series is a number of a similar or related kind coming one after the other. So in Mark software, we can define and set any type of series to facilitate billing. We can create company-wise series, party-wise series, and set separate series for retail or tax, or set separate series for different states. So series is basically to differentiate different types of bills. So let's see how to turn on the option of series through control room. For that we will go on masters, mark setups, and in control room search in all we will search for series. Here the first option is multi-series for receipt, payment, both or all voucher entries. Means if I want multi-series on for receipt, then I'll set this to R. If I want series on for payment, then I'll set this to P, B for both, and A for all vouchers. Then is ask calculation type in master of daters A and series S. If I want series in calculation type, then I'll set this to S. Then is MR from master direct loop blank series slash direct series. Here I will set S if I want series MR wise as well. Then from here you will select yes against those options where you want to set series, like for sale, sale return. And if I want to set multi-series or for VAT or retail, so I can select from here. Now we'll save these settings. Now suppose there's a wholesale distribution business where retail works also take place. So in that case we can create separate series for retail and wholesale. So for that we will go on control room and search for retail and set 1 for this field, retail billing required, 1 chemist, 2 supermarket slash others. Now we'll save these settings. Now we'll create a sale bill and press the F2 function key to create a new series. One series we'll create is WH for wholesale and the other as RT for retail. Now we'll enter on wholesale and the dealer's ledger will appear, which we have already created. Now I'll create the bill of Bilal and Sons. So here you see the bill is being created with the name of WH, that is wholesale. Now I'll select an item and sell it for 100 rupees. So you see the total bill amount is for 104 rupees because wholesale VAT has been added in the bill. Now we'll save this bill. And if I create the same bill in retail of same quantity and amount 100 rupees, then you will see that it has been included in the bill because in retail rates are included. So in this way series can be used in different ways. You can also set series for MR. So let's see how. For that we will create a sale bill and create an MR from here by pressing the space key. We'll press the F2 function key and suppose the name of our MR is Ahuja. Then we'll save this and our MR Ahuja has been created. Then we will go on Masters, Ledger Master and enter on Modify Ledger. Then select that ledger for which we want to set MR. Suppose I want that whenever I do billing for this customer, that is Bilal and Sons, so the software automatically loads the MR Ahuja in his bill. So for that we will press enter on Bilal and Sons. Enter. Then we will select no and select for which series do you want to add MR Ahuja in Bilal and Sons bill. Now I want that when I select retail series while creating Bilal and Sons bill, so the MR Ahuja automatically loads in his bill. So for that I will select retail, then select the MR that is Ahuja, then press enter. And save this. Now whenever we will create bill for Bilal and Sons and select retail series, so this MR Ahuja will automatically load in his bill. So in this way you can use this option of series in multiple ways. Thanks for watching.